Hi guys, today we are going to be learning about pronouns. As you know, pronouns are words that take the place of nouns in sentences. These are the subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. So we can use those as the subject of our sentence. These are the possessive pronouns like my car, his book, our house. And these are the object pronouns that we use after a preposition. For example, I gave the present to him. Okay, we are looking for them. So those are the pronouns that we're going to be working with today. Pronouns must agree in number and person. So let's look at some sentences and see if they're correct or incorrect. The first sentence is, she gave me a gift for my birthday, and I really liked them. How many gifts are there? Let me give you a second to think about that. Okay. Interestingly, the correct answer is, I have no idea. Here we see one gift, a gift, but here we see them. So we're not sure if the person means to refer to one gift or many gifts. That's why we need to use the correct pronouns so that our sentences are not confusing. I needed a chair and a table, and I suddenly decided to make it by myself. Hopefully you said this was incorrect. Here we have two items, a chair and a table. So instead of saying it, we should say them. If you want to buy textbooks, you can buy them at the college bookstore. Hopefully you said this one was correct because textbooks is plural, so we should use them. Remember, in English, we can use them for plural groups of people or groups of things. All these things are just dreams, and I tried to make this dream come true. Hopefully you said this was incorrect. Here we have these things. This word is pronounced these, and it's plural. So is things, and so is dreams. When we have this, which means one, this dream, we're not sure which one we're referring to. This sentence is confusing. So we could say, I tried to make these dreams come true, and use these and then plural dreams if we wanted to correct this sentence. China is a big country. They have a long history. This sentence is incorrect. They is an unclear pronoun reference. Why? We can guess that in this sentence, they refers to China or country, but actually these words China and country are both singular. So we should say it has a long history instead of they have a long history. Sometimes when we're speaking English, we can say things like this, they have a long history, and everyone sort of understands that we're referring to the Chinese people. But especially in writing, we have to be very clear with our pronoun reference. Many people in the world are learning English. This person wants to improve his life and get a good job. Hopefully, again, you said this one was incorrect. When we have many people and this person, it's not a clear pronoun reference. This should refer to something from the previous sentence. And since the noun in the previous sentence is plural, we can't use a singular noun with this in the next sentence. Next, pronoun references must always be clear. Don't confuse your readers. Here's an example sentence. My father told my brother that he had to move out. Who has to move out? The father, the brother, or are we not sure? In other words, we're asking, who does he refer to? Does he refer to the brother or the father? In fact, it's not clear, so we don't know who has to move out. If you said the brother has to move out, you are using your other knowledge to try to answer this question. In fact, we would have to, if the brother has to move out, we could say, my father told my brother to move out. That means the brother has to move out. Otherwise, we could say, my father told my brother that father has to move out. That's the only way to be clear. Here's another pronoun reference question. Kia is a shy person, but she keeps it hidden. Look at the pronoun here, it. Do you see something in the previous part of the sentence that it could refer to? Can it refer to a person? No. Because person is human and it only refers to things. Can it refer to shy? No, because shy is an adjective and pronouns can only refer to nouns. Therefore, this sentence is incorrect. We could say she keeps her shyness hidden. We might be able to say she keeps this hidden. It's okay to use the word this to refer to a whole previous sentence or previous idea. Pete visited the tutoring center because they can help him with his paper. Here's the pronoun they. What does it refer to in the earlier part of the sentence? You can guess that the writer is using they to refer to tutors, but tutors are not mentioned. So we would either need to say because the tutors can help him, or we could say because it, meaning the tutoring center, can help him with his paper. If the first sentence of our essay is, it is a good reason to be a vegetarian, is this a good first sentence? No, this is incorrect. We cannot begin with it is because it doesn't refer to anything else. Sometimes we can use the word it as a dummy it, but only when we have an adjective only after it is. For example, it is important. It is necessary. It is helpful. We cannot say it is a reason. We have to only use an adjective with that dummy it. Hopefully this information helped you understand pronouns better. Please move on to the next practice.